Hey folks, Roberto here with Pinnacle Property, and today we're previewing our newest listing here in Babcock National. This is Terrace Condo Unit 241. It is the Birkdale floor plan, 2 bedrooms, 2 bath, just under 1,200 square foot. You get the full golf membership, and this home comes turnkey, so that means you get everything that you're seeing in the home. Let's run inside here and take a look. So with the Birkdale Terrace condo, on the left-hand side here, you have the owner's suite. That's a king-size bed there for perspective. You do have 2 closets. The one on your left, that's a walk-in style closet, and this is more of your linen style closet here. Then you have the owner's bath with the singular sink, the commode, and a stand-alone shower. Now coming back across from the owner's suite, we have the guest bedroom and guest bath. So nice sized guest bedroom here as well. And then you have the bifold style closet setup. The guest bath is just off of that with the singular sink, the commode, and now we have a combination tub and shower there. Right back out into the main hallway. This is where you're going to have your laundry space in this closet here. So you get a full-size washer and dryer along with additional storage just above that. And then the Birkdale opens up into this nice great room layout here. So to the right, we'll start with the kitchen. You've got granite countertops to white cabinets, stainless appliances, pantry cabinet here on the end, a really nice sized dining space overlooking your views. And then the kitchen overlooks your living space here as well. And last but not least, we have the exterior lanai space. So this is an amazing view here. We are on the top floor and we are the end unit. So you are the top floor end unit here overlooking Lake Babcock. That's where you're going to see amazing sunsets. You have a golf course view here as well. So this is a tremendous condo here. Comes fully turnkey and you get a golf membership inclusive. If you're interested in his home, you can reach us at all of the contact information below. For Pinnacle Property, this is Roberto, and we appreciate you watching.